It's been an hour that the oven's been preheating, and I'm going to put all 3 baguettes into my oven at once because my roasting lid will go over 3 at once. So I'm going to use my baguette flipping board, and I'm going to get all 3 of them onto this paper here and then slide it into the oven at once. It's actually pretty easy. Let's see. Since the seam's on the bottom, I'm just going to slide it off like that. Oh, tried to stick a little there. We've got it. And here's our last one. I think I'll make sure to get a little bit more on there this time. Scrunch this one just a little because it's a little bit long. Brush them off so you can see their nice crusts when it's done baking. And now we will be scoring.
For these baguettes, I will do 4 slashes at a slant down the center of each one of the loaves.
Okay, we've got some pretty nice loaves ready to go into the oven. The oven's been preheating at 500 degrees, and as soon as I put them in, I'll spray them, cover them, and then I'll turn the oven down to 450. So right now I'm going to move the camera over to where you can see me baking.